Hello, Diffie. Welcome on Friday, the last day before the weekend. I hope that you still have some energy to the last tasks I prepared before the weekend. So let's start. For today, I've got maths, and I would like you to have a math test like we usually have on Fridays. So let's try it. I hope you will find some time to focus and so find a peaceful place so no one will interrupt you. Okay? And the math test is prepared for you on Google Drive. Is attached. So there are the tasks like we usually have: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, long subtraction, and long addition, long multiplication, and long division. And that's it, okay? If you don't have a printer, don't worry, please. There is no need in printing it out. Just write the answers in your notebook, okay? In your math notebook. That's it, okay? So no printer needed. Don't worry, okay? So that's the only task from maths I got for you. If you would like to have some extra tasks, there is a Kahoot game with the 4 operations like the math test. So you can try playing the Kahoot game as well. If it's about English, I would like you to learn more about a simile. So it's a figure of speech that compares two things using the words like or as. Okay? So when you try to compare something and make your writing more interesting, we use a simile. Okay? So I prepared the PowerPoint presentation about it. Okay, what is it? You can find some examples. Like the boy was as blind, okay? The old man was as slow as a tortoise. So that is simple. So you've got some examples here, and you've got the description. What is it? And some tasks at the end, okay? To answer. And then in your English notebooks, I would like you to write your definition. What is the symbol? You can use the definition which I added here, like a part of it, or the base, you may read what's in the PowerPoint presentation and just write 1 or 2 sentences about simile. What is it? What's the function of it? Okay? And that's it. And then there are some games as well, online games, in which you may practice. So, as strong as, do you think that we should say as strong as you have better be ups, okay? So you just choose the answer you think is correct and then you check your scores. My score is 0, of course, because I didn't want to show you the good answers. There is like one game I would like you to play, but for volunteers, again, there are 2 more games. So that's for volunteers. Extra task from English today, 2 more games. And I forgot to tell you, sorry, that I would like you, after writing the definition, I would like to write your own example, at least one. Okay? So try to use a simile to develop your written language. And now the last task, which is about unit of inquiry. I added on Google Drive a set of pictures, and I would like you to group them however you want. Okay, the criteria is up to you. Okay, so if you think that those 3 pictures should be in a group, just make them together, move the other pictures so I can clearly see where's the first group. Okay, so thanks to that I can see that you think that those 3 pictures should be in a group. And then you use another ones and you make another group. And then you think that they should be in a group. If you need more space, you just add the next page. Okay, and then you can group them again. So I hope your IT skills will be fine and help you a bit. And then you group those two pictures and you think that they should be in. And I would like you to write me if you can explain your choice. Okay, how would you explain? How did you divide them? What was your criteria? Okay, I know my criteria for those two pictures. I like them best. Of course, it might be a criteria, but you don't need to use the criteria that I told you. Okay, if you have a printer and if it's easier for you to print them out and then glue them on a piece of paper, I'm also fine with it. However, you may try developing your IT skills and try to group them using the Word document. When you are done, I would like you to save it as your name and surname. That's the name of the document. Okay, you save it, and then I would like you to send me the document on my email. So my email address is written here, paulina@ukw.edu.pl. So I would like you to send me the document after booking. Don't forget to name the document using your name and surname or your nickname. So I will know that it's yours. It doesn't need to be done tomorrow. Okay? If you need some more time, you can send me the document on Saturday or Sunday, even Monday. But Monday is like the deadline. Okay, so you will have like 4 days to complete this task. And I would like to see the copy of that document. And what's more, there is one more activity. A short comic to read, to be read, okay, about animals. It's not very long. It's actually short. You've got some inquiry idea, okay? That's not obligatory part. That part is not obligatory. If you want, fine, you may do the task for some extra points, but it's totally not obligatory. So I just wanted to read about adaptations, as we will discuss it more on Monday during our Zoom lesson. That will be the main topic for our Zoom lesson on Monday. Okay, so I think that's it. We've got all the tasks. I forgot about the extra one from Unit of Inquiry. Sorry, my fault. Yeah. So, as the extra task, I would like you to find the answer for some questions from Wonderwall. And maybe you've got some more questions. So think about the questions you would like to ask and answer. Remember that it's also about answering, not only asking. And you may get some extra points for being an inquirer and for your researching skills, because you need to use your researching skills to find the answers for the questions asked by your friends, by your classmates. So, the list of the tasks for today is not very long. I hope you've got some counting for your math in your math test. So that's what I would like you to focus on, just to just to practice 4 operations we have learned about so far. Okay, that's it. See you tomorrow at 11. See you today at 11. Sorry, see you today at 11. Tomorrow is Saturday, so we've got a day off. So see you at 11. We have our Zoom lesson. Don't forget your whiteboard because we are going to have spelling test. Let's try having spelling test online. We'll see how it works. Okay, and I will give you the spelling list for the next week as well. So see you soon. Bye.